Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. When your livelihood depends on whether your truck can handle the load, this is the one to buy. Features include Bluetooth streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Burt Watson's offers a quick and hassle-free buying experience. We're conveniently located in the Michigan area at 7468 Midland Road.